We are just launching the 5th year of Ment2Grow program, the program specifically designed for B2B startups who want to boost their business and who want to grow locally and internationally. Program which is full of individual mentoring, lots of experience sharing with other founders and lots of networking with your potential clients and investors.
Czechia has a potential to become a startup nation of Central Europe. We've got so many great technical founders, but the problem is, very often they don't know how to sell. That's why I like Ment2Grow program, because it teaches you how to sell and how to expand globally.
You will spend 8 months with highly individually selected mentor who will help you to move your business.
The biggest benefit for me was our regular meetings with my mentor.
Join the Ment2Grow community and you will get to know the power of knowledge sharing.
Ment2Grow is a platform for sharing experiences. It brings valuable know-how from the mentors and knowledge sharing with other founders. I really appreciate being a part of a community that cares about pushing you forward.
Thanks to the program network, we can help you to find the right market fit and connect you with potential clients, partners and investors.
We have met a new business partner at a networking event and we are still in contact with 3 of investors I have met in Ment2Grow.
This program allows me to share the mistakes that I've made, the experience that I have with local startups, and help them build truly global businesses.
Want to learn how to successfully scale your business in the Czech Republic and globally? Join the Ment2Grow program and find out more.
The UK business trip was also great and it made me realize I should move to London to hunt our first customers there.
Successful startups are essential for all of us in the Czech Republic, both to drive the future growth of our economy and to create jobs that we and our younger colleagues, students or children will be excited to do. And therefore Ment2Grow is a great program that can help the startups to grow and expand their business, but also to be successful internationally. And Google is excited to be its partner.
The Ment2Grow program is specifically designed for scaling businesses. If you want to find new customers, new investors, new partners, this is the program for you.
Find more details at thement2grow.com and apply.